The Postmasburg court today heard further testimonies in the shocking case where a 51-year-old woman stands accused of allegedly raping a 20-year-old man. The focus of today's proceedings centered on the accused bail application. Earlier this week, Sergeant Daniel Monarque, the investigation officer attached to Postmasburg Police Station, opposed bail, arguing that the accused could potentially pose a danger to the complainant if released. In response, the defense, led by attorney Andre de Beer, presented legal arguments and case law before the court in support of bail. The defense also introduced an alternative residential address outside Chanchabani, where the accused would allegedly stay should bail be granted. A family member from outside Chanchabani was called to testify under oath. The witness confirmed that they are related to the accused and would be willing to accommodate her if she is released on bail. However, the state, represented by prosecutor Mr. Emmanuel Maruba, informed the court that the alternative address must first be verified before any decision regarding bail can be made. The witness was required to provide proof of residence that they indeed reside in another town and that they are capable of accommodating the accused. The court also requested formal proof of address documentation. During cross-examination, the state raised concerns about growing tensions within the community surrounding this matter before court. The prosecutor warned the witness that the case has already sparked protests and strong public reaction. In a dramatic moment inside court, the state asked the witness whether they were prepared to risk their own safety by housing the accused and knowing the level of anger and protest linked to the case. At one stage during proceedings, the court had to call members of the public to order as emotions inside the courtroom escalated while testimony was being heard. Although the law remains the guiding principle before the court, the proceedings highlighted the delicate balance between protecting the rights of the complainant and upholding the constitutional and human rights of the accused before Magistrate Ntuli. Although Horizon Media attended these proceedings and heard the shocking evidence submitted by Sergeant Monarque, we will not identify the accused before court, nor will we publish the alternative address should bail be granted on Friday, 15 May 2026.
Listen to the case of a young man that was raped by an older woman. I think
Still in Postmasburg, recently the spotlight has fallen on local police after allegations surfaced that officers failed to assist a male complainant who seek help while in possession of a valid protection order. While some comments on social media dismissed the current court case as fake news and repeated the perception that a man cannot be raped by a woman, the control prosecutor at Postmasburg Court confirmed otherwise. The case before court today reignited an important conversation around the reality that men can also become victims of gender-based violence and sexual offences. Read the next edition of the Horizon Gazette for a deeper look at what South African law says regarding rape, consent, protection orders, and whether a man can legally be recognized as a victim of rape committed by a woman.
Vandag verskyn 13 senior SAPD-beamptes in die hof, terwyl meer as 25 senior offisiere steeds met volle betaling geskort is. Alles terwyl misdaad buite beheer raak en Suid-Afrikaners in vrees leef. Dit sluit generale, brigadiere en senior bevelvoerders in, die mense wat gemeenskappe veronderstel is om te beskerm. In plaas daarvan om misdaad te bekamp, word SAPD-leierskap oorheers deur skandale, korrupsiebeweringe en wanbestuur. Die DA glo dit is 'n totale ineenstorting van aanspreeklikheid. Belastingbetalers kan nie aanhou betaal vir geskorste beamptes terwyl misdaadgemeenskappe vernietig nie. Die adjunkminister van polisie moet dringend aan die parlement verduidelik hoe hierdie krisis toegelaat is om te gebeur en daadwerklike gevolge verseker. Suid-Afrikaners verdien 'n polisiediens wat hulle kan vertrou.
Ek is Reggie Golaye van Reggie's Driving School in Kuruman en ek adverteer by Horizon Media.